Alright guys, it's your boy Cool Dog back with another video. Today we have a new keyboard, and before I tell you about this keyboard, let me tell you why I got this keyboard, okay? Let's go ahead and get into the story real quick of why this keyboard is here. So I was in here drinking a bottle of water, right? I was holding my little sister, she's not even that old. She grabbed my water and it flew everywhere, and yeah, that's why we have this keyboard in here today, because I kind of spilled everything out of my keyboard. This was my old one right here. I didn't really like it that much. Alright, on the comments, I'm going to be replying to as many comments as I can. I replied to a lot of comments last video. I think it was about 4 or 5. To you'll know if you had these comments, because there's only 4 of you, so y'all all put different comments. Am I getting a PC soon? I am not. This is going to be the last unboxing and setup video for a little while, until maybe after the PlayStation 5. I might get a little bit of upgrade on something, and if I do, I will do an unboxing video on it. People on my Instagram, I put out yesterday that I was going to do a video, like I was uploading a video right then on this keyboard. I did do a video before this, alright, and it did not end up well. It would not go to YouTube. It could not. I don't know what was going on. All the apps were down. They weren't down, but they weren't working properly, like the one I was using. It would not clip my videos together, and I have nothing to edit my videos together. So yeah, there's that. Another comment I had was face reveal. Yep, I had our face reveal last video. You can go watch that. I'll randomly put face reveals in the video, whatever, for y'all to catch. Y'all might catch it, y'all might not catch it. I put a face reveal on one video, and y'all didn't really catch it. So I mean, it's deleted now, but whatever. So yeah, another comment was, let me see, fire. Thanks, prime time. I like the video too. That's on my last video though, like the on this gaming monitor right here, right there. But yeah, there's another comment on, yes, you are here before 60 subscribers. Nice. I'm hoping I can get more subscribers. The goal here to this week, it's a whole new day. The goal for this week is 60, guys. I want to hit 60 subscribers. At the very least, I need 55. Alright? I need you guys on this. Alright? I look forward to doing videos in the future and all this. I look forward to being with you guys. I want to be a full-time streamer and uploading videos and stuff. Maybe I hope to maybe join a clan in the future for Fortnite, Warzone, and all that. But yeah, I just want to be a competitive gamer, all that. I want to go to World Cup, all this, compete for cash, be at the top of the list. Yeah, so let's get into it. Keyboard setup, let's go. By the way, I took all these keycaps back off of the keyboard just to put them back on for you guys. So please subscribe for this, man. I'm doing everything for you guys. Let's go ahead and set this up. Before I actually set it up, let's turn it on. There we go. That's without the keycaps. It looks like a Christmas party, right? Alrighty. Here we go. Let's put these bad boys back on here. I should probably start at the top and make my way to the bottom. Actually, now that I think about it. Just don't want to watch this part. Just skip through it. I'm fine with that. I would be happy if you guys watch through increase my watch time. But if you guys don't, that's fine. It's fine. You guys can do whatever you want. I'm not gonna encourage you to do that if you don't want to do it, you know. I wouldn't want to watch through all this. I'd want to see what the keyboard looks like, you know. I'm fine with that. I'm totally fine. But I'd appreciate it if y'all gave me some watch time. Y'all don't have to, but that's another way to support me. A good way to support me. Support this video and most of my others. I mean, there's not much to do, so I want to see you guys commenting. Okay, I need more comments. I want to know how you guys been. Just kind of throwing that out there. You got any problems with my video? Am I doing something wrong? What can I be doing better? You know, don't be scared to comment. I mean, just don't just put like your video's trash. Like, tell me what I could do better. Just say your video was kind of, you know, a little bad quality. You know, you probably need to increase that light a little bit, which I do need to turn this light back on. I do need to turn that light back on. There we go. Alright. Alright. You want to see this bad boy lit up? Here we go. Oh no, it's something unplugged. Oh man. Here we go. Alright. Look at that. Boom. This has, you can click on, alright, link is going to be in the description for this. My Instagram is also going to be in the description. Alright, actually, I'm sorry, this is not going to be the last video on setup because I'm going to do a video on my whole setup, and that is going to be the last video for a little while until I get my PC possibly. And I will do an unboxing when I get the PlayStation 5. On the PlayStation 5, but that's gonna be a while from now because it's gonna come out around the holidays. This keyboard has certain functions I love. Okay, so FNB, that's these. All right, and V is like all those party modes, like all that little Christmassy looking stuff. Alright, you go to B and you go to X, and that's to change the color. You go to S, and that dims it. W brightens it. Alright. F. Did I already do F? That does this. I can't remember if G. Oh, wait. G. Oh, I love G. This one does that's like rows. And you go back and do X. That's red for the rows. Each row. I'm probably going to be using that one a pretty good bit. And, yeah, it's pretty cool and all. And, do this white one. I think the white one looks pretty cool. But, yeah, guys, look at that. That's awesome. Oh, wait, I think, let me see, G, no, H, actually. And then Z. No, wait. Let me see here. There we go. Alright. Z. Z is the one that does it backwards. So let me give you an example. Here. See how it's going this way? Boom, boom. Click Z. Oh wait, no. That's. Oh man, I can't remember which way it goes. Let me try this one last thing. Let me see. I think it's. So click Z. Yep. See how it goes this way? Now it goes this way. Click Z again, goes this way. Click Z again, goes that way. Pretty cool keyboard. Love it. It's got some good speeds. Response time. Like it's got good response time. I played with it a couple of times. I'd highly recommend it. Link is gonna be in the description. Also, Instagram's gonna be in the description. Instagram is also gonna. No, it's not. I take that back. It's not gonna be up there. Alright, what's gonna be up here is right there. It's gonna be a question. And this question is gonna say, do you want me to do a video on my setup? Okay? It's not too good, and it's not too bad either. It's not really that average, but it's not really that, unique. Like, it's not really that big of a deal. But I have one guy that wants me to do a video on my setup, and I will do a video on that setup. Alright? If you reply to that question, if you comment that you want me to do a video on my setup, then comment. I need at least 2 comments on that. Alright? And I'll do a video within like 3 days of those comments. Alright? And if you don't, I'll do one within like 2 or 3 weeks probably. Or whenever I'm feeling like it. But okay guys, make sure you like and subscribe. That's the best way to support me right now. Like, subscribe, turn those bell notifications on. And yeah. Subscribe button is gonna be about right here. Oh crap, wait, right about there. Gonna have some 2 videos up here. Alright, make sure y'all check them out, and I'll see you later.